Hello, hello. Oh, what's up, Ko? Peace sheep. Hello, hello. I'm back with another farming coding stream, which I'm surprised people watched. Like I was when I did last stream, I was expecting no one to watch it, or like I'm only want to play the game for myself. I don't really care about like if there was people watching, but surprisingly, yeah, you're in front of the farms exactly. Like even people who didn't know, like I thought it would just be like everyone's lost and like what the heck is happening, but like even people who didn't know what coding was were like watching the streams. I was like, what the heck? The most invested you in a stream you've ever been. It's a I think it's a really like niche thing to be interested in. Like hold on, let me lower my volume a bit. Um, yeah, like even like after I finished streaming, like I was laying in bed because I went to sleep and I was thinking, I was like, oh man, I could have done this, or like maybe I'll do that. And then I was talking with another viewer afterwards, and they're like, oh yeah, you missed this thing, and like so I was like I've been thinking about it for a while. I was like, this game is really fun in a nerdy way. But yeah, so that's it. I'll probably get started. I think real quick tomorrow we'll have an Emmy stream, and then Tuesday supposedly KK and Roku are gonna be streaming, so we'll see. And then I think after that, I don't know if the rest of VNS is gonna stream or not because it's holidays, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, anyways, let's do it. Hold on. Okay, let's get back in it. So where we left off. Okay, so I have pretty much, these are like my programs that I have. So let me just, so this one that we did before is like every other one's a tree and every other one's a grass. And this one is fine. It's like, so can I upgrade, oopsies. Can I upgrade speed? I feel like speed, oh actually we're max speed already. Oh, and actually I saw this one is like the sunflowers or something will make you more fast, or like you can harvest sunflowers to make your let's see here, make your drone go faster. But anyways, yeah. Okay, so this is fine. Let's just let's go home and let's soil it. So the carrots is where I had something wrong, because actually I was supposed to be planting it and then replanting it as I go along, but I think I was only, yeah, I don't want to. So here's the thing. I was like, I was messing up. Oopsies, let me go scroll. And then we can do the carrots. Yeah. So the issue I was having is like I was planting, but I wasn't replanting them as I was going along. So I could just do this, like harvest it and then plant right away. I don't need to. So this is really like harvest and plants, but whatever. So now it would be better. Seconds. And eat those carrots. Yeah. Okay. So now when I'm collecting them, I'm replanting them afterwards, which is good. Okay. I think what I want to do is there's some pumpkin optimizations we can do that I was thinking about. But I'm interested in the, what is it called? What does expand to? I'm interested in. Okay, that's just saying loops. There's the like mixing agriculture together. I forgot what that's called. Let's see here. Unlocks variables, no watering, senses, polyculture. Okay, I think this is what I want to work on right now. So polyculture. Yes. So from my understanding, is basically instead of just doing straight up like bushes, trees, grass, and carrots, we're gonna be mixing together the everything. So let's just clear everything out. Go home, harvest everything. Okay, I think I messed up here, but that's fine. Oh, harvest everything. Okay, let's look at this. So the point is, instead of just planting whatever, we want to plant whatever friend it wants. So I need to see what this looks like. So let's just start with go home and let's plant. Okay, plants only cactus. That's fine. What is this? Is it just planting a single cactus? What's plants only cactus? Okay, I don't know what this is. Okay, let me just make a new function. What are you? I guess get out of here. Let's make another thing. Plant single. So this would be plant entities dot carrot. Let's do carrot. And then, so we planted a carrot, and then we want to see the companion. So I need to see what this is going on. So let's see here. The preference of the plant under the drone can be measured using get companion, returns a tuple where the first element is the type of plant it wants as a companion. Okay, so it's a so I guess so what is this saying is like if this guy I use get companion, it says carrot and it's 3.5, that means it wants to have a carrot at 3.5. So let's just see. Let's plant have 20 code windows open. I would have 20. What the heck? So let's see here. Let's just do what this said, like plants type and then xy equals get companion, and let's print plant plus plant type and then let's do like at can I just do this? Why? Like this? This is gonna work? Oops. Missing. Oh, comp plus. This. Not use. How do I get what plant type it is? Dot. Wait. What? Entities dot grass dot. Oh, what? Okay. What? Wait, I don't know. Okay, I can't. Whatever. I guess I can't print it out. Whatever. Let's just see what the coordinates are. What? I cannot add a string and a. I thought this is Python. Can't I just do whatever? I thought that's how Python works. Okay. Let me control. Maybe that's like string like that. Maybe this will work. Okay. There we go. So it wants a bush at 1-1. So 1-1 is here, and so this means this one has to be a bush. Oh, that's interesting. So maybe what I don't know. I guess like, okay, so then what if we just plant a bush at 1-1 right now? So if we go up to the right, and let's plant a bush and see what happens. Oh, I have to change the let's see here. Till? I forgot how to do this. Grounds dot grassland, yeah, sure. And let's make a bush. Till doesn't. Oh, till is just. It's a toggle. Okay. Right? Okay. And then what does this guy want? It wants a carrot at 2-2. Wait, this is annoying. It's gonna be going to. Okay, wait. But I can just keep a track of what it wants and get when it gets there. But then what do I do? Like, is there ever gonna be conflict? Or I guess I just don't care about conflicts. So I guess what I'm thinking is that maybe we make the default plant a carrot. No, yeah, we'll just make the default plant a carrot, and then we'll keep track of what buddy it wants, and then we'll make sure that we're only. Oh, this is kind of annoying if we go like snaking around, because then we have to know what order. Because it's like, because this guy is basically what I'm thinking is that, like, let's say this bush wanted a friend at this square. If we're going in order, we already passed that square, and we don't want to rewrite history, because we're just gonna leave that plant as it is, I think, unless we try to do like the perfect thing. But I don't think I don't know if it's like exponential. It's just a ×5, so I don't think it's worth it to rewrite history and like go back there. So maybe for now we'll just do like up the rows. That might be simpler, and then we'll keep track. So okay. Okay, and then we also need to make sure that we know what we want to plant. Okay, so let's start a new window. Friends, plant friends, planty friends. Okay, whatever. So what I am thinking is that first we want, let's like define a plant function. So I'll call it smart plants because it will take in a plants type, and then it will like do the right thing. So, so like let's say, so okay, what are the types? Grass, entity, grass, bush, tree, carrot. So if plants type, let's just say if it's a carrot, because then we know we want to, we have to till first, till. So how do we sense what the ground? Can we know what the ground type is currently? Is that a sense thing? Let me put up a new info window. Get you back to polyculture. So I think we want to sense what the floor is. Get ground type. Yep. Okay, so then, yep. Thank you. If get ground type is not equal to grounds.soil, then till it. And then else, otherwise then this is gonna, so this only supports, okay, whatever. Should we be smart about this? Okay, let's just be smart about this. Let's do that real thing. So let's do everything that we know. So if it's carrot or if it's was it cactus needs soil too? Let's see what we have here. Cactus. Okay, thank you. You're not useful. Items. Wait, entities. Cactus. Soil. Okay, so and then I think pumpkin is also soil, and the rest might be. Hey, what happened? Entities. Pumpkin. Is there anything else that sunflower? What is sunflower? Sunflower is probably grass, I'm guessing. Like plant. Oh, actually, sunflowers are soil. Can grow in soil. Yeah, I guess it is soil. So these are our soil dudes. Flower. Then I'll just do an outlive just in case for later. Type in entities.grass, entities.bush, entities.tree. Is that it? I think that is it. Yeah. Okay, so if these ones, then we'll do similarly. Oops. Sorry, it's just it's like till in. Same thing, but instead we want to check if it's grasslands. And then I think we can just plant it. Plants type. Okay, so if I am correct, let's go left. And let's say I want to plant a smart plant a entities.bush, then this should till it and okay, cool. And if I want to do a carrot, yep, and if I want to do a tree. Okay, so we have our smart plant in now. So I think what I want to do is we'll do the plant and let's just go up row by row and then we'll keep a list of like what friends we want. So I think I want a dictionary. Do we have dictionaries here? Yeah. So what I'm thinking is that like we'll keep a dictionary and then okay, let's just put it inside of a function because I don't know. Planty for friends. Okay, so we'll have the friends list as a dictionary, and then we'll keep track of the ones, and then I guess maybe we'll just be stupid for now and do the normal movement, and then I'll keep the list because what I was thinking about being like what I was talking about earlier is like if we're here, then like adding this to the list is kind of useless because we're never gonna go back there. But I guess we'll just ignore it and just like let's just see if we can planty friends for now. So what I want to do is copy this. Where's the movement thing? This. Well, it has to. No. Give me a. Basic movement. Move and do stuff. Yeah, okay, this is what I want to do. Let me copy paste the parts that are relevant. So, yeah, sure. Okay. So here's the stuff. So the default plant. Okay, so what I want to do is, so first we the movement stuff here. Okay, I remember stuff. A stuff and then move. So I have to remember I have to duplicate the code. I still am not smart enough to figure out why or how to not write the same code twice, but I don't really care. So first we want to see if column comma row, row comma column. I guess it doesn't really, wait, x, y, x, what is x? Okay, so x, wait, column, row is x. Yeah, okay. If row comma column is in the friends list, then we, okay, oh no, okay, we'll be smart at this. So this is the to plant is gonna be, okay, what did I say? The default was gonna be a caret, entities.caret. So plant a caret if it's not this, otherwise, this is probably stupid, but, oh, I'm also blocking the code. Wait, how do you do ternary stuff? Can we not do ternaries in here? Else friends list of row comma column, like that. This is what I think. This work. And smart plant it. To plant. And then we'll, what is this thing? Plant type, new plant equals, wait, no, new plant, and then y equals get companion, and then we'll add it to the friends list. Equals new plant. And then I'll copy paste this because I'm bad at coding. And and then I want, yeah, let's just see if this works. I don't know, planty friends. Let's go home first. Wait, go home and then see how this, wait. Okay, wait, so this ternary by whatever doesn't work. Okay, so, okay, I'll be fine. I don't know how you stream this. If I code when someone's watching, I'll become the dumbest. No, when I first started yesterday, I felt so stupid, but then now I'm like, I'm kind of getting into it. Okay. Yeah, so we default to this. To plant. Yeah, I'll replace that. Ah. Hey. Hey. Dude, this Control Z thing is so stupid. Do you feel like you should be getting paid for this? No. this is definitely the stuff I do just for fun. Okay, let me just copy paste this whole thing. What's happening? Yeah. Then we'll clear this stuff. Okay. Let's see what happens. It's gonna error. Error. I have to unlock the dictionary? Okay. Where's dictionaries at? Okay, I unlocked the dictionary. Okay, it's doing stuff. I don't know if it's right or wrong. This is that. How do I know if it's right or wrong? I guess I'll check later because I guess these are all the defaults. We're defaulting the caret, which is fine. Okay, it's doing stuff. It's doing stuff. Oh, and I guess I want to remove things from the dictionary so it doesn't get too crazy. You can hover or plant to see the yield. Okay, perfect. So, but how do I know? What does that mean? 40? 400? Wait, 400. Wait, okay, wait. This tree is worth 400? So that must be good. And this tree is worth 40? 400 is bigger than 40. That's true. So something is working, but I don't know if that means... What's my default tree right now? Is there a way to see how much a tree gives right now? What the heck? That's like, how do I know my code works? 40, okay, 400. Is there anything that's like... I don't know. Oh, okay, so it's like 8. Are there any carrots who are happy? Oh, none of my carrots seem happy. They're all 8. I mean, oh, look at this. This carrot's 80. I mean, is this even worth it? I mean, it's kind of cool that it's like doing different stuff. If no one is complaining, the code works. Okay, let's okay, this is plant a single. Actually, I should just do the smart plant. Let's copy paste this. Yeah, and then let's do. Okay, this was just be for later. Yeah, okay, I don't care. Okay, fine. Let's do a carrot. You don't have to plant grass since it grows automatically. Yeah, but I mean the gains from like, you know, not... I don't want to like add more code just to say, oh, grass is special. You just need a till. I mean, I guess I could. Like, if plant type is not, or not... Wait, how does Python work? If not, like this? No, not equals. I'm stupid. Plant is not equals to entities that grass, then plant it. Okay, fine. There you go. Are you happy? Okay, what do I want to do? I want to debug this. Okay, yeah, so what is this? So a bush should be at 1-1, and a bush is not at 1-1. So what went wrong? This is always going to return the same thing, right? So bush at 1-1. Oh, I should... But my dictionary is dead. I wish I knew... What? Wait, why? How come it didn't do the bush? Maybe? Okay, oh, I should go slowly. Maybe I did the coordinates wrong. But then also, like, am I just gonna do a plant like run and then a harvest run afterwards? I guess I'll think about that later. Let's figure out the planting sequence first. I guess you have to do one full plant cycle and then one full harvest cycle. Well, I guess you can do the harvest and then replant at the same time. Okay, anyways, I'm ahead of myself. So, okay, is my X and Y wrong? Row, comma, column. That's my suspect. But then 1-1. 1-1 is the same for either. Why would this mess up? How come there's not a bush here? Are you going up? And then we move over. Oh, because we're not actually... okay, we need to not do this like fancy stuff. Because I think it's like... Yeah, I planted a bush here because I thought this is 1-1 because technically I'm at that cycle, but then it's going down instead of up. So... yeah. Okay, let's not do the smart move for now. Let's just do like a sweep and then we can figure that out later. So this is this. And then we don't do -1, I guess. Oh god. So we do the stuff and then we move. No, let's just move north. Like that. And then we move east. And then I think I can just get rid of this stuff. Let's see. Fancy friends. Okay, wait. I need to clear my dictionary first. No, I already did. No? Okay, never mind. Oops, let's go home. Okay, let's just harvest everything. Is there harvest everything? There you go. Oh, why you're still here? The grass. Okay, that's fine. Should I go slow line by line? No, I'm just gonna send it again. I think this should work. Okay, go home. Okay. You're planting carrots, you're planting other stuff. This looks like it's doing stuff. Okay. Let's debug. So this should... what is your friend? Okay, this wants a tree at 1. Okay, that's perfect. What did you want? You want a bush at 10-1. Oh, you're so needy. What the heck? A bush at 10-1. Okay. Okay, so I think this is working. This is 400. Okay, this is like... Well, I don't know why this is 8. What's the default carrot? Aren't you happy? Or are you not happy? Yeah, it wants a tree at 1-0. Did I not? I gave it... Wait. Oh, 0-1. Oh, wait. Am I... Oh, did I mess up the coordinates thing again? Is this column row? Okay, let's just do this and see what happens. And then I guess we can just harvest. I think this is all we have to do, right? You just harvest and then you do the plant. Okay, we'll figure this. Hey, 0-1 is not in there. Oh, column row. Okay, yep. Okay, I don't know if this. I always mess this up. I actually mess this up a lot in interviews. So the row column thing and coordinates is confusing to me. Okay, but your yield is 8. Okay, I think I got it because all these are. Okay, I don't know why you're an 8. Oh, maybe you can't get there yet. Yeah, I think we got there. Hold on, we'll see. And honestly, I think this, like, you know how it's snaking before up and down the rows? I feel like going... Is it instant to go to the bottom of the row? Maybe I just screw it and just do this all the time because this is a lot easier. Does it look instant to you? It's so fast, I can't tell. It looks pretty instant. I think it's the same speed. Okay. You're happy, 80, 88. Okay, well, why are you not satisfied? Let's see what's happening with this carrot. It wants a tree at 3-2. Did I not give a tree at 3-2? 3-2. Why did I not do a tree at 3-2? Is it because someone else wanted a bush and I overrode it? But I guess... Okay, I'm guessing that's what happened. But everyone else seems pretty happy. Okay, I think I'm not gonna question it too much. What I think is happening is that there's probably some conflicts, but I guess the last person gets their needs satisfied. So all of these guys should be pretty happy. Oh no, but then they wouldn't know. I guess the middle would be pretty happy. I don't know. Okay, well, seems good to me. Let's keep planting friends. Okay, go home and send it. I mean, I'm making my default carrot. Oh, I guess that's fine. Can you walk through what your code is doing? Oh, sure. Okay, so what's happening is... Okay, wait, actually, it's pretty simple. Okay, this is... I hate these flashing lights. Can I just copy paste this and put it somewhere else? Okay, so... What I'm doing is... You keep a list of... This is a like hash map or whatever, a dictionary. So basically when you do, what's it called? Get companion, it'll tell you what plant it wants. So like it's, for example, it's saying like, oh, this carrot wants a tree at like 7-2. So it knows that 7-2 would be the key. So dictionary, like the key is gonna be 7-2. So once we get to like a certain space in the map, we see if it's like someone wanted that to be his friend. Oh, whoa, we can... Whoa. Oh, you can debug like this. Yeah, okay, so like, for example, this, it says like, oh, at 10-1, it wants a grass. So when we get to 10-1, it knows that it should take a grass. So it says, okay, well then instead of planting a carrot, which is our default, we'll plant grass instead. And then we plant it. And so that will satisfy whoever like wanted that. And then if not, yeah, we default to carrot. So that's pretty much what's happening. And then I think we clear out the dictionary at the end because then who cares? And then you harvest before it. Yeah, so I think it's just like basically like deciding what to plant. So as you go along, like different, if it wants a friend, then we'll make sure once we get to that coordinate, then we'll plant that friend specifically. So yeah, it's not bad. And then everyone's getting, yeah. Cool. All right. Get rid of you. And okay, that's polyglot. Okay, that wasn't that bad actually. And I think honestly, like screw all this other ones that are like going snaking around. That's such, it's like so unnecessary because now I can kind of simplify things and just go back to the bottom. But let's see, what upgrades can we get? I guess increasing. So now we should probably just be playing this like an actual like, what's it called? Like idle game, or you actually like I should just like increase the yield of stuff and like upgrade my items so that it's faster instead of optimizing code. I should optimize the cookie clicker. Yeah, exactly. Honestly, this water is kind of weird. I don't even know if it's that useful because all my things kind of grow so fast. Like, I think the point of water is that it will make things grow faster, but everything's growing pretty fast, so... Yeah, plants grow faster when they're watered, and it's linear. Yeah, it's like I don't need to water anything. I guess maybe there's gonna be something later on that takes like forever to grow, but everything else, like, my map is so big that I'm like not concerned about growing things any faster. Maybe once, oh, I can upgrade polyculture. Oh, you need dinosaur bones. What the heck is that? Okay. I'll upgrade my pumpkins, sure. Oh, I do want to do this, figure out the sunflowers, but I guess we can do that later. Oh, and more carrot yield, I guess, sure. My speed is max, okay. Are my trees? Trees need that. How do I get more grass yield? 64,000 pumpkins. Do the sunflowers now, please. Okay, it's gonna make things like a lot faster, I guess. Okay, let's look at this. Got a new window open. Where is sunflowers? Okay. Sunflowers works like carrots. Okay. Harvesting a grown sunflower yields power. If there are at least 10 sunflowers on the farm, you can harvest the one with the largest petal. Okay, so you just basically you need to change the number of petals between 7 and at most 15. They can be measured before they're fully grown. So you just need to harvest it in a certain order. As long as you have power, it will move twice as fast. 1 power every 30 actions. Okay, using other codes costs a lot of power, but a lot less than doing actions. Okay, that's fine, yeah. Everything that is sped up by power. Okay, so basically what I'm thinking is that you do a full plant run, and then you, it seems like what matters most is that you are harvesting them in the right order. If I understand correctly. If you're 10, you harvest the one with the largest number, you get 5 times more power. Okay, so we just need to plant everything and then have at least 7 and almost 15. Okay, so let's think about these. What I'm thinking is that we have something like plants or flowers. So dictionary. So this is going to be something like, well, actually, and then for blank and range, what do we want? Like 7 to 15, at least 7. So we start at 7 and at most 15. So we go 16 because we go +1, and then we just do flowers of. Wait, no, I need this. Num petals. And then I think we're going to keep a set of... This is not a valid expression. Why not? Always is a dictionary. I think this is right. Okay. Are you fine? Yeah, okay. I mean, that's rare. Oops. Sorry. Go home. Let's do plenty friends. Okay. Ooh, okay. 54,000 carrots. Maybe I should switch to doing bid pump. No, 4,000. I need more hay. Maybe, okay, let me change my default to hay for now because my carrots are kind of consuming too much of my hay. So I guess entities dot, was it grass? Yeah, okay, I need more grass here. Okay, yeah, we're defaulting grass. That's good. Okay, so what I'm thinking is that the flowers will just like have like each number of petals. And then we'll keep a list of the coordinates of where it needs to go. So one thing I do want to do is make a function that will go to a specific coordinate. But I guess I could do... Okay, anyways, we'll do the stupid thing for now, and then we'll do the smart thing later. So, so we have this, and we'll do our movement. Okay, let me copy paste this thing. And I guess I'll put it in a function too. Define sunflowers. I don't know why I'm putting things in functions. It doesn't really matter that much. Okay, so create that thing and then we'll do this thing. So we'll move around. So first, okay, we always harvest. No, we don't want to harvest. Okay, so this is the plant phase. Plant phase. So we plant it. We'll smart plant the entities at entities dot sunflower. And then what do we want to do? We want to measure it. Okay, so measure. And then maybe I should column row. Why did I say row column? I don't know if this is actually real. It's a square. It doesn't freaking matter. Or XY. The XY. So we can not care about things. So so what we want to do is like flowies of measure is the coordinates. Oh wait, no. Yeah. Dot add x comma y. And then yeah, and then you do something like stupid like for and then the harvest. Harvest. What is this? We want to just like go backwards for num petals. Wait. Oh, so then we do the same thing. I should probably harvest in the reverse order. So we do like okay. Oh yeah. We do want this. So for num petals, and then we go reverse order because we want that range 16, and then we go to 7. Wait. I forgot how this works. Do I have to go 1 minus, like -1 or something like that? Okay, well, we'll see if that does that. And then we do the same thing where we'll just go and then harvest it instead. So, the movement. Actually, we're just harvesting. Oh wait, no, wait. So if it's okay, let's hear. So if wait. So let's see, our to harvest is the, was it flowies or something like that? Flowies of num petals, and then if xy is in the to harvest, then we harvest it. Okay, let's see what happens. Where am I? Stop. Oh, I have so many carrots. Can I buy something with my carrots? Come on. Oh, pumpkins. Okay, sure. Okay, we want tree production. Carrot. Okay, whatever. Yeah. Okay, we need to make some more pumpkins later. Anyways, I think this works. What is this? Sunflowies. And then we'll call it sunflowies. It might not do the right thing. Wait, go home. Go home. Let's see. Why is so much stuff open? Go home. Let's do it. Okay. Smart plant is not defined. What is... Okay. Where is my smart plant at? Here it is. Alright. Okay, there we go. Let's do it. Okay, it's screwed. Takes 2 arguments. Yep. Okay. This is supposed to be a tuple. And do it. What happened? None. Wait, go home. I think I screwed up. Wait, what the heck? Let's see if it errors again. Wait, why is it not planting? Oh, because it's already... Okay, wait. When harvest state gives... What's happening? What was your problem? Wait, what was the error? Is none was not in the dictionary or something like that? Okay, go home. Go home. Okay, let's harvest everything and then... Wait, where are we at? Where's the harvest all? Oh, here, harvest everything. And then go home. Okay. What is our problem? There is no problem. Okay, I don't know what happened. Oh, maybe because it was... Wait, why is it going slower? Oh, because the power... Oh, the power does go crazy fast. Okay, I see. So it should get... Start... Okay, after it plants everything, it will only... It was going to do like 7 sweeps or something like that. Nope. Okay, it's not. 16 is not a dictionary key. That's fair. Okay. How about 15? Okay, and now everything is screwed. Okay, let me just harvest everything. Oh, he's so fast with the sunflowers. What the heck? Okay, anyways. Alright, try again. Oh my god, the sunflowers are crazy. I should have done this earlier. I need more power. Okay. It's doing it. Oh wait, but oh, it's too fast. It's too fast. These aren't gonna grow in time. Oh wait, no, maybe it's fine? Or maybe I ate some before they were ready. But this is about what I was thinking. But so it is doing pretty unnecessary movements. Because it's like sweeping. And we'll see if it gets to the last one. I'm not sure if I did the syntax right, where it might like not get the 7 petal flowers. We need to replenish the soil. No, but then if you replant sunflowers, then it's not going to get the bonus. Okay, I need to do -1, so this has to be a 6. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, let's just harvest everything. The thing is, yeah, if you replant it, because the sunflowers care about what's on the full farm. So like, let's say you replant it, then you replant a sunflower, and then it's gonna be too angry that you made another sunflower that has more petals, so it could screw everything up. How long do these take to grow? It's gonna take a while. 7 seconds? Wait, hold on. Okay, maybe not that bad. Unless I don't think replanting works that well. Because you want to harvest them all in order. But you could replant like other things, I guess. Keep track of it. You need more than 10 for the 5 times multiplier. Yeah, I mean, like, I guess you could just... Like, are you saying, like, mix the planty friends with the sunflowers? Or, like, mix more sunflowers with the... I guess... We could mix together these two. The planty friends and sunflowers. Alright, there we go. Yeah, it's getting all of them. Either or. No, but then you can't mix more sunflowers, because like, let's say, because we're going, okay, so what we're doing is like, you have to get them in reverse order, like from most petals to least petals. If you replant another flower, you're gonna screw everything up, right? Because let's say we took all of the, let's say we're down to like, we're only like have like 7 petal flowers left on the map. If you plant a 15 petal one, it's gonna screw it up, and you won't get the if you harvest the, yeah, because you aren't harvesting the one with the most number of petals, so all the other ones are kind of screwed if you replant sunflowers. But you can plant the other stuff. Let me do planty friends. We're going fast. Can you just run the polyculture until you finish the sunflower? Like you mean the power, right? Because that's what I was thinking, is just like switch between the sunflowers and the like program and the planty friends. Until I run out of power, because the power seems like it's lasting pretty while. Give me some pumpkins, dude. I want some pumpkins in here. Oh, I have so much grass. Okay, I need to switch. Dude, the smart thing to do, okay, I think there is a way to check your resources or something. Because if I can check my resources and say, okay, like I should set the default type to whatever my lowest count is of the polycultures. But let me see if there's a measure my own resources. Hey, super, we're doing more nerd shit. Number of unlocked. Okay, we can check if things are unlocked. Measure, no, quick companion, do a flip. Maybe not. Number of items. Oh, wait, no, this is fertilizer. Oh yeah, I guess it does. But then do I want to do this after every... Maybe at the beginning of the cycle. Okay, well, let's do that. Yeah, we can do that at the beginning. So we're still doing nerd stuff. Yep. Okay, go home. So... What are the... Okay, let's do like eligible planty friends. It's carrots, carrots, grass, bushes. Actually, I think we'll just wait. No, what? No, oh, you have to do like hay. Wait, items dot. Okay, so I love the way you name your functions. Yeah, this is what I do in school. At work, I can't do stuff like this, but in school, like I literally just name things like, oh, like if pizza, then party. You know. So items dot. Okay. I feel pressured. You said like I have cool names, but now I'm just gonna do like resources. Let's see here. Okay. Items dot hay. Items dot wood. Items dot carrot. Wait, just these three, right? It's just carrots, wood, and yeah, it's only these three resources. Okay. Okay, planty friends. Planty friend resources. Okay, so define get weakest. Get weakest friend. So for resource in planty friend resources. Okay, so weakest equals none. Okay, we'll just do weakest. Items. What's default hay? Hay. Okay. So for all of our resources, measure. Wait, what was the thing that we want to do? Get number of items. Okay. Number. Weakest number equals 0. I know. Wait. Oh, this is so stupid. Oh, this is not even worth like. I'm just gonna hardcode this. This is so stupid. Okay. I ran get weakest friend today and it returned you. That's funny. What was it? Number items. Num items of hay. Hey Lemon, we're doing the same thing as last time. Okay, so if was it num items of items dot wood is less than weakest number, and then weakest number equals num. Gosh, I'm going back to that thing. Whatever. How are you? I'm okay. Did you figure out the cactus? Oh no, we didn't do the cactus. I can show you. We're doing this like thing of polyculture right now. It's like where you mix the plants together, and then we also did some sunflower stuff. So I can explain that afterwards. But I'm just like doing some small optimization stuff, which is really not worth it now that I'm thinking about it. Because like I literally should just like write the word carrot every like 3 seconds. But you know. So let's see here. It's none. Okay, we'll do like this. This is how I usually do things. Do I have my planty friend resource? Yeah. So if weakest, okay, weakest number is none. Okay, I think I have to equals because this is weird. Carrot, carrot, carrot. Yep. Then weakest number equals num items of resource. Okay. Otherwise, this is the first case. Please. Case normie. Okay. So otherwise, we want to do. If we could, let's hear. Items of resource is less than the weakest number. What? Weakest number. Then we say the weakest is the resource, and the weakest number is the number of items of that resource. Okay, and then so now we have our weakest resource, and then okay, sure. If weakest is hay, then we want to plant a grass, entities dot grass, and then if weakest equals wood, let's plant a let's do a bush because that's safe. And then if weakest is a carrot, then plant a carrot. Return entities dot carrot. Okay, and then instead of this, yeah, so default friend is the get weakest friend, and then we can do this the default friend. So if I did this right, and then just return a grass just in case for some reason. So what it should do is like, because I have the least carrots right now, my default plant should be carrots. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, so anyways, this is what's happening. Basically with this planty friends, is like each carrot wants a certain, like, you know, plant to be somewhere else. It's gonna be too much complicated. Anyways, we're just we're farming. And I can show you the sunflowers afterwards. I was gonna be doing carroting for a while. That's fine. Yeah, see all that code just to like write, so I don't have to write the word carrot, you know. Okay, let's just go home after this. No, I think you should explain it to the best of your ability. Okay, fine. So basically what's happening is that each plant has a friend it wants. So like, for example, when I plant this carrot, it says, oh, actually at like 4-2, I want a grass to be there. So what we're doing is that we're like, when we plant it, we're keeping track of what it wants its friends to be. And if the friend is like, if you plant the right friend in the right spot, then this guy will be happy that its friend is in the right spot. So then it will like, you'll get more bonus points for that. So for example, like this is like, this carrot's only worth 16, but this carrot is worth 160 because we planted like a grass over here, for example. So that's pretty much what we're doing. We're just like keeping track of like where the friends are and then plant it in the right spot. I'm kind of excited to see if, no, it's not forever. Oh, so you get more carrot. Yeah, exactly. Oh, you get whatever. It could be the grass too. So like, for example, this grass is like worth 160 because this grass wanted this to be a tree or something like that, you know? So that's the concept. So it is worth, like, it's kind of a lot. It's like this like times 10 worth. So I think it was worth doing. And then now it looks nicer that we're like kind of mixing up the agriculture a bit. And then if it works correctly, I guess we can just wait it out. Because once my hay gets less than the carrots, it should automatically switch to planting hay instead of carrots as the default. I guess I could just spend money also, but anything else hay? Okay, so the trees get more yield. So now the next one should be planting grass if I don't run out of grass. Yeah, because I have so little grass. Yes. Okay, anyways, and then I can show you, let's go home. Where's my home button? Okay. The sunflowers that we did. Pretty much what's happening with the sunflowers is that how, okay. Ignore that. Let's just clear out everything. I don't know what happened. I hope. Okay, flower measure none. Oh, because it's trying to measure something that doesn't exist, but I smart planted it. Okay, let's pretend that didn't happen. Okay, I don't know what that was. Yeah, so what's happening with the sunflowers is that it's trying to measure the carrot. Oh wait, why can carrots be measured? No, but it should just plant first and then measure it. So I'm kind of confused what happened there. Anyways, yeah, like there's different size sunflowers, and it's saying that if you only pick the sunflowers that have the most petals, then you get like more bonus points. So for example, like the one with the most petals, like it's like from like this one has like 5 petals or 6 petals, right? So if you pick up this one and like there's only 6 petal flowers left on the field, then like you get more points for this. So that's why this one's worth 1 right now, because it's like there's there's sunflowers that have more petals in it. But then for example, like this one's worth 5 because this has the most petals and it's gonna eat this guy. Anyway, so that's it. And then sunflowers give you power so that it makes your drone faster, which is why he's kind of zooming around. Yep. Okay. Let's do our big pumpkin. I wonder if it still works. I did want to optimize the big pumpkin a bit so that like, because right now it kind of does like a lot of sweeps to like get all the replant the dead pumpkins. But I think I could do it where it kind of keeps track of where. Wait, I don't know why it harvested that. Okay, that was weird. You know, sometimes it just does things I don't know. Okay. Okay, big pumpkin. Okay, cool. And then let's harvest it. Woohoo! Oh, that's a lot. Okay. Yeah, I need more pumpkins, dude. Why did it harvest that? I don't even have any harvest until here, no? I only have plant. Wait, see, you said that it harvested something. Why did it harvest something? I only have plant. Where did it harvest that? Okay, anyways. Okay. Right. Cool. What upgrades do I want? Okay, I need more bone. That polyculture is interesting. I haven't done the cactus yet. I don't know if I want to get into that. Fertilizer grows plants instantly. This could be interesting for. How do I get fertilizer though? You receive it every 10 seconds. Okay, never mind. I don't want to deal with that. I guess it's good to just get that accumulating for now. Carrots, more carrot yield, more tree yield. I want more grass yield. Yes. Okay, I think I want more. Oh, expand the farm. Oh, expanding the farm is going to be good. Let's work towards that. I think we only need a couple more big pumpkins to do that. So go home, make a big pumpkin. Yeah, so what I was thinking is that pumpkin multiplier. Yeah, exactly. Like we could keep track of where the dead pumpkins are. And then you only like, instead of, I don't know why it's harvesting this one. I'm really confused why it's harvesting this bottom left one every time. But yeah, because it's doing a bunch of sweeps, but maybe we just only go to the specific dead pumpkins. And then we could use the fertilizer too to like instantly, oh, it's like 2 seconds. Anyways. Go home. Oh man, this is gonna be annoying. I mean, I guess I could just wait for that. Go home. What is the has dead pumpkin at the end of the first loop? This one? This is, okay, honestly, okay, let me rewrite this so that's, oh, so many dead pumpkins. Okay, let me just harvest everything. Let me rewrite this, so that it's not doing the stupid movement thing again. It's will have simpler movement. So it's more simple to figure out what's happening. Go north. Okay. And we want to move east, yeah. So this is saying, this is our like condition to like flip it. If we found a dead pumpkin, then we know we have to like do this whole thing again. And so this only harvests after like, so it's saying like, let's keep doing the sweeps until we don't have any dead pumpkins. So at the start of the sweep, we set it to false and then we'll like do the sweep again. And the start is just stupid code, but yeah. Oh, I can pause it. Let me pause it once it gets to that, so I can see why it's doing. Oh, wait, no, keep going. Pause. Okay. Okay, it's planting. Move north. Plant it. Move north. And then go east. Okay. Now. Oh wait, wait. Why did I harvest that? It shouldn't reach that yet. I thought it only reaches it after it gets out of here. Huh? Oh, it's not following this loop. Why is this? Because it has dead pumpkin should have been true. Why did it go out of the loop? It's not starter anymore. But it's or. It has dead pumpkin should have been true. Well, I screwed it up, but because I thought it should have been true. Okay, let me wait. Hold on. Let's go back home. Let's harvest everything. That's not harvesting everything. There we go. And then we'll go home. Is it because it finished move east? No, so this is Python. So this moving east should have just, it's part of this loop. So because it had found a dead pumpkin, it should have just kept looping. Is this some kind of cool CS homework assignment? It's like, yeah, basically, but you don't get graded and you don't get anything for it. Okay, we'll stop it once we get there. But has dead pumpkin should be true at this point. Or did I spell it wrong? Has dead pumpkin. Oh, has dead pumpkin is false. Starter is false. Why is has dead pumpkin false? I thought this will tell you it's a dead pumpkin. before it's done growing. Because it didn't say you'll know it's a dead pumpkin right away. Oh, wait. Oh, can harvest returns false for dead. Oh, okay, because this first round, it doesn't know whether it's dead or not, because it only knows it's dead after it's fully grown. That kind of makes sense. But there's no way to know. Yeah, it doesn't pass over the dead pumpkins in the first loop. Exactly. Yeah. I thought it would know that it's going to grow into a dead pumpkin. But I guess you don't know when you plant it if it's going to grow into a dead pumpkin or not. So you have to wait for it. I guess it's fine. I mean, so I guess we should just do a planting loop and then a normal loop. But then isn't that kind of what we already did? How do we do one more loop? Okay, this is so annoying when it's like this. How do we force a planting loop before we do anything else? I mean, I guess we could just do the, yeah. Oh, you're good. I can harvest it. Okay. Anyways, let's go home. Oh, okay. Move and do stuff. Do I still need this? I don't even know what function I'm using anymore. I don't think I'm using this anymore. I don't think I want this either. Yeah. Mr. Plant. Get rid of all this. This is. Oh wait. Yeah, I don't think I need any of these, do I? I don't know what's happening, but you sound it's so smart. Thanks. I don't know what's happening either. Big pump. Make pumpkin. What is this? Why do I have a make pumpkin? Okay. Let's clean things up. Like, really, this should be a smart plant. Let's get my smart plant function in here. Smart plant. Smart plant it. So let's just do. Yeah, let's just do one loop of the plant first, then sweep, and then we can get rid of the starter thing too, I guess. Wait, no, I don't. I don't know what's happening. 2 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay. Sweepy. Okay, so let's just plant pumpkins. Yeah. Wait. What's the point of this? Why am I just... Yeah, okay. Well, we always want to plant a pumpkin. Okay. Okay, or I guess we do like this. Or dead pumpkin. So this first one always plant, and then we do the sweep. Yeah, I guess we still need the starter. Okay, now we can, it won't, this is so unnecessary that I did this, but okay. And now I shouldn't harvest this first one, because it's doing the plant first, and then it does the sweepy. Okay, nice. But yeah, I think I do want to optimize this later, but I don't really know how exactly. Because like, I know that, I don't know. Because you have to wait for the pumpkins to grow, but then you have to, I don't know. Okay, I'll harvest it. Okay, now we can expand our farm. And then get a, oh, let's get a big pumpkin. Big, oh. Hold on. Let's just screw this. This is a smart planet. Whatever. Go home. Big pumpkin. All right. Nerd farming. What's up, Ruby? How are you doing? Okay. Let me get out of this. We have so big. We're gonna get a giant pumpkin. Okay, I have 21,000 pumpkins. I wonder how big it's gonna be. That was a big pumpkin. I had a bed. All right, later, Super. It's so hard to drag things. All right. Tired mostly. That's fair. Did you do anything today, or is just tired? I went drinking last night, so I kind of hungover this morning. Okay, believe. No, see, it's like we have to do this full cycle just for this one dead pumpkin. But if I could remember where the dead pumpkin was at, that would be kind of nice. Okay, okay. Okay, so we have 21,000. Oh, we're just gonna have that. Ooh, that's like 24,000. Okay, I think I'm good with this. We're fine with pumpkins. Let's do the planty friends again. Okay, go home, go home, go home. Yeah, because I want more other resources. Made halak. I don't know what hayakas? Halakas? What is that? Let's get some cacti. We will. That takes a lot of brain power, and I'm more into the collect resources. Let me get my resources up and see. Okay, oh, more yield, grass yield, perfect. Okay, I need to upgrade. I feel like I have to prioritize these like more yield things because that's really important. Big pump. Okay, yeah. Agriculture. Is that the bones? Okay, maybe we should do the. Understandable. Yeah. Well, the cactus is gonna get crazy. A Venezuelan dish. Also, that's not how you say it. Okay, so sorry. Well, what is the dish? Collecting resources doesn't use too much paper. Exactly. It's like, oh, number small. I'll click on that one. Can you code the cacti while the planty friends runs? Let me just let it run for a bit. Let me get some water. Hold on. My brain's a little more tired than I thought it would be. But we did the sunflowers and we did the planty friends and we fixed the pumpkin, which took forever and was not very necessary. Okay, after this it should default to carrots, which is pretty cool. Right? Switch to carrots? Yes. We're farming. Okay. Let's look at our upgrades. A trophy. More fertilizer. I mean, I guess I'll get more fertilizer in case I figure out how to use that later on. Mazes. I don't know what the heck that is. It's fine. Sunflowers are fine. Trees cost money. Carrots. Yield. I want more grass yield. I need more wood. It's like cornmeal dough filled with meats, veggies and stuff wrapped in banana leaf and boiled. You know, that kind of sounds really similar to like, well, I guess all food is kind of like, ends up being similar to each other. But it feels like, I don't know. But that's cool. For the holidays, like, are you US based? Are you Thanksgiving? Or like, what holiday? Oh, each disc is 320. That's kind of crazy. Okay, anyways. Okay, let's think about cacti. So I think the point of cactus is you do a first plant of everything and then you will need to sort to them, which is gonna get crazy. For Thanksgiving, we made them early since, yeah. I see. Wait, since family was only able to visit now. We made them early since family. Oh, so like they're not gonna be there for Thanksgiving. They're just like doing it now. You can measure the direction. Why would you want to measure a neighbor? And swap with the direction. So what I was thinking, so basically how cacti work. Okay. This is like bothering me, like all the little like crunchy carrot noises. But anyways, like I need to, it feels like I need to upgrade the carrot yield. 150, oh, I can do that. Yeah, let me do the carrot yield. Okay, anyways. So you do, okay, that's good. What should we steal? Let's steal the sunflowers. Big pump. These are our kind of main dudes right now. We're not really doing the half trees, half grass anymore. The sunflowers. Anyone want to name this some fun cactus pun? Cacti. Whatever. If you have a good name for the file, let me know. Anyways, so first we want. Okay, we have this. I wish I could fold code. Oh, we can put in breakpoints. That's kind of cool. Anyways, do cacti. And let's get rid of these things for now. Yeah, okay. So yeah, so we want a plant phase again. So we do smart plant a cactus. Okay, I don't need this stuff. And then, so basically what I'm thinking is that each cactus has a size, and then you need them to be sorted from like bottom left to top right or something like that. The lower left is in sorted order. Not enough for the spread. Okay, what is the sorted order? I don't understand it. A cactus is sorted if the neighboring cacti to the north and east are greater or equal, and all the south and west are smaller or equal. So I think the general idea is you want to plant everything and keep track of where the cacti are, and then you will swap them to get them in the right order. But this is kind of difficult. Cacti. Okay, let's see. Are there more upgrades we can get? Maybe we can just let the big pumpkin run in the background or something. Okay, with 300, you need 2 carrots, you need 5,000 pumpkins. Checking in now, buy. Wait, checking in and buy? Which one is it, Sonic? Okay, I don't need this anymore. Also, what hats do we have? That is the real question. It's hat stuff. Brown hat, straw hat, sunflower hat, wizard hat. When did I get a wizard hat? Paused. Oh, okay. I have a wizard hat. I don't even know when I got that. Okay, go home. And plenty friends. Ah, this is a lot of thinking. Okay, let me see. Back to our cacti. So we, I guess, measure the direction. I can't even think about it. I don't even know. Also, we have so much sunflower power. I wonder, like, when that's gonna, like, yeah, it's like, anyways. My brain is tired. Anyone have anything interesting to tell me? Okay, let me see what other upgrades we got. Is cactus the next thing I should do? There's this maze I'm kind of interested in, but okay, I think for the cactus we're gonna want a move. Let's make a movement function. That's kind of fun. So it's like move to and then X, Y. So, oh, sorry. So what was your get current position or something like that? Get position X. So it's like cur X equals get position X, cur Y equals get position Y. And then let's move there, so wow, okay. I guess we do it. While current X is less than current X less than X, so that means then you have to, so it's less, you have to go move to the east. Wait, east? Is this how this works? Current X plus equals 1. While current X is greater than X, you move west, and you go -1. Wait, it's the same thing, but we X's with Y's. So if you're less, then you go up, and if you're more, then you go down. And let's test this out. Okay. Jim the Dandy. What? Do you do any farming or gardening IRL? I don't. I had a plant on my desk before, but I never. Actually, my friend got me a like a bonsai tree. Seeds for a bonsai tree. It was kind of interesting, actually. Hold on. Let me test this code real quick. Let's go home. Okay, so if I want to go to like 4, 8, 4, 8, 6, does this work? It does not work. Get position. Oh, I didn't call functions. Okay. I'll answer your question real quick. What? Oh, shoot. Okay, this would be why. Go home. Actually, it should be 4, 6. Oh, okay, my thing works. And then if we go to like 5, 6, we just go. Okay, cool. Okay, I have a move to specific coordinate function now. Okay, anyways, let's keep doing the planty friends. Okay, so my friend gave me a what was I saying? Bonsai tree seeds, and it was actually kind of interesting. It didn't work because it's kind of hard to build bonsai trees, but like you had to like first put the seeds inside of the fridge for like 3 months because like the seeds need to pretend it's winter, and then you would like defrost it, and then you like plant it in the soil. And so like I tried that, and then it ended up not working though. If you drag the top bar of the window over another window, they dock to each other? Huh? Oh, interesting. Nice. Thanks. Oh, have you played this game? That's crazy. Yeah, a whole bonsai tree from seeds sounds like super high level garden. Well, it was like it came in like a small little like so it actually it's kind of cool because it was like came from Japan, but it's like it came with a small pot and the soil you need and the seed, and like so you just like literally just like it's like a DIY kit. But then like she got it for me twice, but it never sprouted both times, so I don't really know. Can I unlock anything else? Faster tree. I feel like my trees are kind of doing fine. Faster grass. I feel like I always want more grass and carrots. They seem to be the weakest things right now. Okay. That's really nice of them to get something like that. Yeah. We got it for she got it for our friend groups. Like it's like 3 of us tried to grow the things together, the whatever together, but like it never. We all failed. Oh my god, I hate dragging these things. Okay. Let's get some pumps. We're kind of low on pumps. Let's get our big pumps to go in. Hey, not you. Go home. Honestly, I should just like make the go home at the beginning of all these functions, but whatever. I should just do that right now. That's gonna be so much easier instead of having to like go home every time. Okay, you're going home first, and then you go home first, and you go home first. Okay. How are we doing on sunflowers? Let's do 1 round of sunflowers. Okay, and this always screws up for some reason. I don't care. Let's clear the map. And then you go away. Great, thank you. Okay, if I click sunflowers, you'll go home first? Yeah, okay, cool. Honestly, I feel like the sunflowers is just like, you just do it once and like it lasts so long. And then we'll do the big pumpkin after the sunflowers. Do any of you guys do any gardening or farming? I feel like it's something I want to get into at some point, but yeah. taking forever. Yeah, I feel like I should just, instead of like sweeping, I should just go to this specific coordinates, but I don't know how much faster this. I guess it would be faster, I don't know. I dream of making an ecosystem in a jar, but I think that may be indicative of your god complex. Yeah. I mean, I guess aquariums are ecosystems, but can you have land ecosystems? I mean, that's just getting a pet, but I mean, like, if you like build like in a jar, it's kind of crazy though. But I feel like if you do a jar, it has to be like bugs and like, I guess bugs and plants or something. I don't know. Terrariums. Oh, okay, that's what that is. Oh, aquarium, terrarium. Makes sense. Why not plant after harvesting? This is the sunflowers. That's just for the sunflowers. The other things I am planting afterwards. Because the sunflowers, like, I think you can screw it up. Because it's like, you're familiar with this game? Or like the sunflowers, like, you need to harvest the one that has the most flowers. So if you like are harvesting, like, what I was doing is like I planted all of them and I went from like 12, 11 like flowers, 10 flowers, 9 flowers or whatever. But if you replant it, then you might plant something higher and you kind of screw up your order. That's what I was doing at least, but okay, anyways, big pumpkin. What upgrades do I have? Trees. Pumpkin. Oh, I can get even more pumpkin. Why not? Okay. I wanted to work on the cactus. I still don't know. This is gonna be so annoying. Okay. Pumpkin multiply. Yeah, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, damn it. Yeah. Yeah. I guess I should just let it run and like F it. Who cares that it's like gonna have to do this stupid last sweep, but oh my god. Please, man. I believe in you. Okay, there we go. Still trying to figure out the cactus. Yeah, I mean, I didn't really. I'm not even know. The cactus isn't too bad. It just takes a long time to sort. If you want to sort it out. Oh, okay, you play this game. Yeah, okay. I'll just let the pumpkin keep going. Yeah, I think the swapping logic. I do want to. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do all of it. Like I'm gonna do like a full cactus map. So I just have to figure out the swapping thing. But I guess let's. So my initial thinking is that what is this? It says, where's my cactus at? It says we have 0 to 9. So let's. I think we keep a list of coordinates from 0 to 9. So it's like let's have like cactus radar. It's this, and then I mean, can I just do something stupid like this for blank and range 10? Is that gonna work? All right. So I think you keep a list of coordinates so you know. I expected a comma. Okay, I don't think this works. That's fine. Oh, I spelled cactus wrong. Cactus radar. Oh, I guess I didn't do that. That's out of hand. I don't know exactly what data structure I want to use yet, but I'm thinking you keep track. A set? Maybe a set? I don't know. So you plant it and then you measure the level. Yeah, you measure it. So then you measure it. It will give you a number. Sort the rows, then sort the columns until there's no swaps left. Let me think about that. So the column sorts will be in order. And then sort the rows, then sort the columns. How does okay? So then this that would see like this guy's in the right order, but this guy's not in the right order. I think I want to just do like the entire swap thing. It's that's kind of what my intuition is, just for fun. So basically, I'm going to plant everything and then like take all the ones and put them at the bottom left and kind of like grow things like in this sort of, I don't know if you can see my mouse, like in waves like that. So I think my initial intuition, which is who cares if it sucks, it's just I want to do it this way, is that like we'll have a way, like an order of like where they should be ordered, and then like once we have all the cacti, we'll just like, okay, take all the ones and put them in this bottom order, and then like take all the twos, put them like that, and then like blah 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 blah. But we'll see how that goes. Oh, I have so many pumpkins. The pumpkins are so exponential, dude. Can I buy anything with my pumpkins? Oh, what's up, Dark? It's kind of been a while, I feel like. Expand the farm? Ooh, I'm gonna expand the farm. Okay, we're just gonna go on pumpkins until we can expand the farm, because that's gonna be crazy. And then I'm gonna have to move all my windows again, which is so annoying, but it's fine. So it has just been busy. Yeah, dude. We I don't know when last time I saw you was. Yeah, when was the last stream you saw from VNS? Were you the one that was mentioning Excel World, by the way? It was either you or Super or something like that. Okay, so we get the level and then yeah, so I think something like, you didn't mention Excel. Okay, dude, because of you, I was like, because I read the novels for Excel World like a while ago, but I don't remember any of it. But I've been rereading them from the beginning, and I'm on like the 14th novel right now. Cactus radar of measure dot add. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing exactly yet, but and then I guess I'll just do. Okay, let's stop. Let's stop. Go home. Alright, let's clear everything. I want to see what my cactus is looking like. So we plant everything and make sure I have the list correct. I figure that's what most people do. It still took like an hour to sort them all though. A different idea was to plant cacti and harvest them till they're sorted naturally instead of swapping. Get a new number. Oh yeah. I mean that's a little like cheesy, but yeah. Okay, can I see, is my cactus radar fine? 03. So 03 should be a level 1 cactus. Okay, yeah, I think this is working fine. Okay. I see your farmer now. Yeah, this game is like insane. If you don't know coding, it's gonna be kind of like, I don't even know what the appeal is, but there is some of other viewers who are watching the stream. But I've been having fun playing this game. It's like you basically program this little drone with like real code to like harvest the farm and plant it, and each plant has like different rules to like do. So it's kind of fun. Did not know you could code. Yeah, me neither. Yeah, so like for example, like the cactus has like rules where like they need to be sorted in the right order, or the pumpkin has rules where it's like, oh, it will like combine together to make a giant pumpkins. Like for example, like when it sees like a square of pumpkins, then they'll like combine and stuff like that. So it's like a lot of different like little rules and stuff like that. It can help you make your own game. I'm not very interested in making my own game, to be honest. Like, yeah, I mean, I don't even know. I don't even like playing games that much. Like, so I know there are people who are really into playing games. I don't have this. Yeah, I don't think I'm that creative to make a game, and I'm also like not. I don't have any ideas that I'm like, I really want to make a game, you know. So, anyways, so we have all our cacti. Can this? Okay, this is a set. Okay. Let me think. Also, have you thought of playing that Command and Conquer game I heard you were interested in? Was that me? I don't. What's Command and Conquer? Let me see. Command and Conquer. I don't know if that was. Wait, this looks familiar, but what was this context for this? This looks like StarCraft. RTS. I don't know. It's just like, I don't remember talking about this that much. Yeah, I'm looking it up right now. It was on Discord. It's for Command and Conquer Regular too. Oh, yeah. I don't know. I feel like I probably. Let me see our Discord. Oh no, I think I was talking about a different game. Wait, is this you? Yeah, no. Jin was interested in Command and Conquer. No, it wasn't me. But I looked at that link that you sent though. That's how come I remember it. Okay, back to Cactus. So, wait, how many cacti? Okay, 500. Okay. So we have all of this. I think what I want to do is get a list of the order of sorting. So this should be like one, like it would be a list of coordinates of like that. Let me think how let's do this. Cactus chord order. Get. So it should be like a list of coordinates and so it'd be like this. Do we just go the diagonals? I guess it's the diagonals, right? So you just go in diagonal order. How does that work? Well, we start with 0, 0. And then x is 1, then y is 1. Then you go x is 2. Wait, what's the math here? How do I get this? It's okay, this is what I want. The output should be like this. And then you go 0, 1, 1, 0. Then you go 0, 2, 1, 1. What's the pattern here? 1, 1. Okay, I think I kind of got it. So let's see here. For what's the get size of the map or something like that? How do I get my map size? Get world size, yeah. I and range, get world size. Okay, let's see here. Start x equals. So we start at x equals 0. Y equals I. And then while I is greater than 0, maybe x, yeah. No, while y is greater than 0. Let's start this. Yeah, maybe like this. Output dot append y equals 1 x. Wait, y plus minus equals 1, and then this while y is not no, it's not I. Wait, no, wait, it is I. Oh yeah, well, y is greater than 0. Sure, maybe this works. Right, or return output, maybe. Let me see. Get cactus. Wait, what is this? Get cactus chord order? Let's try this out. Okay, let me just harvest my pumpkins. Go home, and then can I set a breakpoint here? Error. Oh yeah, okay, that's right. There should be a coordinate. I set a breakpoint here. Wait, what happened? So what is my output now? 0, 0, 1. This is not right. X, Y, X. Oh, X plus. Oh, no. Okay, this should be. So X is Y is minus 1 and X is plus 1. Aye. Set a breakpoint here, please. Output 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. This is not right. This is not right. Greater than equal. Breakpoint here. 0, 0, 1. Okay, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, 0, 0, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay, that's right. Okay, so now we have the order that we want to put things in, and then we just do the swappy, I think. So let's see here. This is the plant phase still. And then now we have our list of stuff. Let's see here, sort it, baby. So get our cactus order. Order equals this. How do we do this? Let me take a break. Actually, what's our stats doing? We have 500,000 pumpkins. Can we upgrade our? Okay, let's upgrade the one. Let's more pumpkin. Oh Jesus. Okay, nice. Can I big pump? Nice. Okay. Oh, actually, I need more carrots. I guess I'll do the carrots after. Oh no, I might run out of carrots now. Okay. Let's just do this. Go home. And we'll do the fancy friends. Yeah, okay. Wow, my farm is huge, dude. What size is this? 22 by 22? Always near the evil genius of VNS. I mean, I'm just making. I'm planting pumpkins and planting carrots. This is the same thing that Luna does in Stardew Valley. Okay. Let's see here. The thing is, farming go bird. Yeah. Look at this. This is new from last time, Luna. I'm switching the different plants are like different plants are planting together, and where this is, what is this called? It's not called polyculture in real life, is it? It's like the thing where you plant. Is it actually called polyculture? Like where you plant different crops next to each other because they like benefit each other or whatever. I forget what that's called in real life. But we're doing it. Can I increase carrot yield? 700,000 trees. No. Also, I'm almost forgiving Luna slowly. Was that from the Lego Party stream? Oh, dude, Gemma's back, so you're gonna see Gemma. Have you met Gemma yet, Dark? I don't remember. I got the memory of an elephant. Dude, elephants have good memory? I have bad memory, dude. You haven't met Gemma. Yeah, I think Gemma wants to stream sometime soon. Probably like in December because it's the holidays now, because we're US based, but she should be trying to stream. Maternity leave is over. Oh, what's up, PM Frog? Yep, Gemma's back. Well, I don't know if she wants me to tell. I know she posted it on Twitter. Yeah, she's back. I think she wants to. I talked to her. I was like, "Oh, do you even care about streaming still?" And she's like, "Yeah, I want to meet everyone." So that'll be exciting. Okay. Yes, I think. How do we want to do this? I think. Okay, we need a swap. Like a destructive swap function. Alright, swap and update. So we want to swap. Let's see here. Chord 1 with chord 2. Wow, I don't know. Oh, my brain is tired. I don't think I can do this today, dude. We were drinking yesterday and I didn't get much sleep. Oh, I'm still running out of sunflowers. Let's look at the other upgrades. Cactus? Oh, I can have a cactus. Okay, but not like I'm even farming cactuses. Dinosaurs, I have no idea what the heck that is. Mega farm. Oh, more drones. Oh, wait. I can get more drones here. Damn. Maybe I should focus on getting more drones. How do I get this? What is that? I don't even know what that thing is. A rock? Top hat. Get cost of things. I don't think that matters. Unlock things. Oh, okay, I see. This is if you want to like speed run and just like automate like literally everything with one code. I guess I'll, why not? What does water even do? I still don't understand. Plants grow faster when they're watered. Okay, whatever. One file playthrough. Yeah, exactly. That's what I realized. Yeah. I feel like I might be done for the day. I'm kind of like too tired to do the cacti. I'm interested what this maze looks like. Wait, I can't even unlock the maze. I don't even know how to do this. Like, what is that? Maybe I have to get the dinosaurs. Maybe I'll just do the cactus and like. Go home. Let me just. Hey. None could not be. Wait, measure. Oh, wait, what? I didn't smart plant it. Let me plant it first. Oh, I have to harvest it out of the way. Let me just harvest. Whatever. I think that's the problem that will happen with my sunflowers actually, so I need to harvest before I plant it, because in case it's in its phase, yeah. Let me get some cacti, and even though they're not sorted, and then just get out of here. Get out of here. So I can unlock the maze. Wait, no, I can't unlock the maze. What am I unlocking? Oh, unlock the dinosaurs. Yeah, I want to see what the dinosaurs do. What does my cactus radar look like? Yeah, so I have a list of stuff, okay. And then let's just keep eating the cactuses. So I don't know what the dinosaurs even means. Can I get 2,000 cacti easily? Can I upgrade the yield? No. Got a cactus hat. I need 2,000 cacti? Okay. Honestly, I feel like I can get close to the cactus. I already got the coordinate order, and I'm gonna swap it. Should I just do the cacti? 2,000 is nothing. Yeah. I can just brute force this 2,000 cacti, so I can see what the dinosaurs look like. But I think I can do the cacti, because basically I'm here. So I have the coordinates of all the cactus, the coordinates of everything in the level. What I want to do is I swap it, and then I update. Yeah, let's just do it, dude. Does this game teach you to code? No, it doesn't. If you don't know how to code, you cannot play this game pretty much. I mean, it like half-ass tells you how to code. It's like, oh, like for example, what's the first program? Yeah, like, do you know what this is? Like, this is, oh, here's this stuff. And, like, you can harvest it and stuff, but it's like, you don't even know. Oh, you want to see dinos? Okay, let me get 2,000. It tests your ability to code. Yeah, exactly. Like, I even know why they have some like half-ass things. So it's like, oh yeah, like, here's how you can, like, they have some things like this is like technically like teaching you to code, but it's like if you don't know how to do this, like, how you even playing this game, you know? So I don't know. Oh, you have 2,000. Okay, dinosaurs. Okay, dinosaurs. You have to wear a hat. If you equip it, then an apple will be purchased and placed under the dome. Wait, what the heck? What the hell is this? Okay, let me. Okay, so you have to put on a dinosaur hat. I don't know what it was. Dinosaur hat. Okay, where am I? Oh my god, get these out of the way. Where's my drone? Oh, I'm a little dinosaur. That's so cute. Entity's apple. What? Okay, what is this saying? If you equip the dinosaur hat and have enough cacti, an apple will be purchased and placed under the drone. When the drone is over an apple and moves again, it will eat the apple and grow its tail. And then it will spawn an apple. Oh, so it's like you just spawn an apple. The tail will be dragged, filling the previous tiles. If it tries to move on top of me. Oh, it's like Snake. But then where does the... Okay, when it's unequipped, then you harvest it. Oh, okay, I see. So it's like you make apples, and it's like you like try to. It's like a maze. Yeah, Python. Yeah, Python. Okay, wait. Let's give me my wizard hat. So I guess we're not doing that. We're just gonna keep doing cacti. I guess we might as well just keep doing, if we're actually gonna work on the cacti code. Looks like we need more pumpkins, so let's go big pump. Okay. Chill, bro. Okay, I guess the first one. This is actually nice that we have this, because now we don't have to do the. We can harvest first and then do it. There we go. Okay. Okay. We got it. So what do we want to do? So we go in reverse order. So for I in range 10. Oh, we don't go in normal order. So we want to swap everything to the bottom left. So target. Wait. Okay. So the biggest thing. Okay. So current equals 0. So order of 0. So this is where we want to swap to. How do we take, can we take a random element out of a set? Sets. Remove element from a set. Sets are unique. Addiction sets are unordered. So can I do like, so if I do like A as a set, what is my operations? A dot. Oh, this kind of screws me up because I was gonna say like, oh, you take out a random one from the set, and then you like, let's see here, how do I do this? This is more complicated than I thought. Yeah, because basically Cactus Radar has for like all the level 0 cacti are in this set of coordinates. So I was gonna like, you can unlock random, but random is, I don't think it's gonna work here. Or, oh, does random like help me get something out of a set? Is it like a random set element? I do want a random, but I don't know if is there like a thing I can get a random element out of the set? No, it's literally just a 0 to 1 random number. Okay, that's not what I want. Let me look up time for the Google. Python get random element from set. Random.choice. Okay, get elements from set. Unordered. Get arbitrary. Can you use pop? Oh, you can use pop? Can I use pop? A.pop. Oh, you can. Okay, you can get one. Okay, perfect. You don't want to random and feed that as the. No, I don't. Okay. So current chord is A.pop. So this is the one, and then we want to get it to the. Okay, so what we want to do is so we have, this is our current one, and this is our target chord. Wait, so okay, target coordinate. That's what current index or whatever. This is so bad right now. Wait, no. Okay, we go like this. I don't know. Oh, what the hell? Okay, I'll just write code and then we'll figure it out later. So this is our current coordinate, and we want to get it to the target coordinate. Okay, why am I doing this? So why do I have? Okay, no, that's fine. No, okay. So current coord. Okay, no. So while cactus radar of I is not empty. Empty? What? Like this? This is how you do it in Python? Greater than 0. So then we'll get the, take one of them, equals cactus radar of I dot pop. Okay, and we want to get it to the target coordinates. So 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 I guess you want to go you want to swap it left. I guess we're assuming you're always going to want to swap it left and down. You'll never want to swap it up or right. I'm hoping. I hope. Okay, wait. So how do we do this? So okay, I guess first we want to look at it. If it's already in the right spot, then we continue. So first step, check if it's already good. So we would do like wait, target coordinate. Okay, so if target chord is in cactus radar I, then we're fine. So current, actually we should only do current index. We don't need this. So if order if the order of the current index is, so if the one that we're trying to swap into is already the right level, meaning that it's inside of there, then we'll take it out this radar of current, and I'm not confident anymore. Wait, what the heck is happening? Of I. This feels like I'm too much pressure. This is like an off-stream thing now. I'm thinking. Continue. I don't know. Because we go like this, then this, and this. I don't know, man. The thing is, I want to make sure we can swap. We only have to swap left and down. I guess this is fine. So we have this, our current coordinate. So while current coord, wait, what do we do like this current x, cur y, pop, while cur x is, oh, I can't do this right now. My brain is too tired. Yeah, I think this gets confusing. I'm like thinking too far ahead. Oh, look at this big pumpkin. Holy cow. This has been going on all the time. We need some sunflowers. Yeah, I think I might be done for the day. My brain's getting tired. It's been like 2 hours-ish of stream. We'll collect some sunflowers and then just call it a day. Whee. This depth perception is really weird of this game. Like of how the windows like parallax. Is that what it's called? Yeah. Okay, we'll let this sunflowers eat up, replenish. I'm kind of, it's weird to me that the sunflowers are like, the power lasts so long. I would have thought that the sunflower like power would like deplete so much faster, but like it feels like I can just manually run the sunflower code like every like 20 minutes or something, and I'm like totally fine. And I still don't know what, I feel like the water and fertilizer, it's like the fact that it just reduces some time is like too confusing to me. 30 actions per 1 ratio is crazy. Yeah. Is that how much it is? Yeah, 1 power every 30 actions. It's like 30 moves. Yeah, I guess it's like this whole like one heart. Yeah, it is pretty crazy ratio. But then otherwise it doesn't make sense to like, I don't know. Yeah, I'm sure this game gets crazy once you like try to like automate literally everything of like speedrun the game with 1 file. because then you do have to like calculate like, okay, maybe I'll like this quadrant will be my pumpkin quadrant and this will be my sunflower quadrant or something like that. I don't even know how it works. But yeah, I feel like I want to for this and the pumpkin code, I kind of want to optimize it so that it doesn't do the sweep and it just goes directly to the, because I already have like a move to coordinate function. So like instead of like doing the sweep, you can just like, you know, keep track of where everything's at and then like move there directly, because there's a lot of unnecessary movement, I feel like. But it is what it is. Any last requests for the big pumpkin? It takes too long. We're like, this 24 by 24 is too huge now. I guess no, there's nothing else that's kind of fun to do. Okay. Anyways, I think this will be it for the day. Anyway, I guess I'll let this finish because it's on this last run. Unnecessary movement also burns your energy, but it's not exactly a limited resource. No, but it's about the time. It just feels like I don't like watching this. You know, do all this. Like, I guess it's like if I have enough time, then like literally I could just do like, I don't have to do any of this, right? You just let the program run for the whatever. What upgrades? I feel like, yeah, I guess I can get faster trees and stuff like that. Carrots. Time is always a limited resource. Bars. I guess more cactus. I'm not even building cacti though. What is this the rock thing? How do I get this rock? Live your life to the fullest. Thanks, bro. Polyculture. Yeah, because I want to get the farm. Top ad. Unlock. Automatically unlock things. I don't care about any of this. Simulation. And what the hell is... Oh, seed. Oh, interesting. Okay, so this is like for the leaderboard stuff, so you can do like under a specific... Oh, file name. Okay, yeah, that's crazy. Set speed. Slow down the execution and make the the farm smaller. Oh, interesting. Okay. Get time. Yeah, this is gonna get too crazy. I'm not doing any of that. Also, I don't know what I would import. I don't know if enough Python libraries to like actually import things to like that make it worth it. Okay. Anyways, we're good. I got a game recognition. It's the War of Mine. Let me look that up. The War of Mine. Survival game. I feel like I've seen this before. Wait, let me see. Well, what kind of game is this? Interesting. Survival strategy? I'm not very smart. I don't really like strategy games. Let me see. He plays the inspired by real craft things. I don't know. Aster, oh, how's it going? I just finished. I'm like, my brain is so tired from the farming game. It's a very bitter game to really depressing. Oh, that's Jin's vibe. Jin likes depressing stuff. I don't like depressing stuff. Yeah, I guess I can show you my farm real quick, Aster, because you actually know what's happening. So, we did the. Hold on, let me go. We're back. It's playing Repo and Peak. Oh, fun, dude. I haven't played. Repo's kind of scares me. Or I don't know. Actually, no. I played not Repo. What's the other one? Like the something company. I forgot what the scary one with the something company. Lethal Company? Wait, is it called Lethal Company or something like that? I played that and that was really scary. And I think Repo's this. Yeah. Lethal Company. I think Repo's like the same thing. No. And then Peak I haven't played either. But Jin said I would get pretty bad motion sickness from that. But anyways, okay. Here's what we did. So we have. Let's show you the. Where are we at? The Planty Friends. So. Basically, we did the thing of the polyculture where like certain plants want you to plant in a certain like a certain way. So now we have like this thing that goes on where it's like we're planting different plants depending on like what the need is. So for example, like this carrot, let's say it wants a tree to be planted here. So if you plant a tree in the spot that it wants, then you get more yield out of it. So that's what we're doing today. The farm is huge. Yeah, it's like 24 by 24 now. So you can see like this. So if you like fulfill its like friendship condition, then it gets more like yield out of it. So like this carrot's only, oh, it's 320, right? So yeah, so like if it's like basically times 10 if you like plant the right thing in the right spot, which is pretty cool. So that was the thing we did. The pumpkin, we didn't change it all. And then we did sunflowers, which is like kind of interesting. How do you decide what sort of plant is planted at a spot? Yeah, so there's this function called like is it measure? No, it's like get companion. Yeah, so basically it's this. So each of these plants has a companion. So it says like if you use get companion on this carrot, then it'll be like, oh, I want a tree at this coordinate. So basically I had the code that's like I don't know if you're that interested in it, but basically you just keep track of like what all the friend coordinates are, and when you get to that spot, then you plant that friend, you know. So that's what's happening. And then the sunflowers is not very good optimized, but basically the sunflower rule is that like each sunflower has a different number of petals on it, and so each sunflower gives 1 energy. But if you farm the you're just gonna see the code. Yeah. Okay, I'll show you. Yeah, so for example, like this one, this sunflower has like 12 petals on it, but this one has like 7. So if there's ever any sunflower that has basically all the like 12 petal sunflowers give you 5 energy and the rest don't give. So like you want to pick the sunflowers in order from like most petals to least petals based on what's on the farm. So this is a pretty straightforward one. I didn't do it that great. Yeah, they have a random number of petals, but it's a fixed amount. It's like from like 7 to 12 or something like that. So basically I just did like loop like hard-coded like sort of loops to like, you know, let's see. Yeah, it's like from 15 to 6, then you like only harvest the ones that are like have 7 petals, and then you only harvest the ones that have like 6 petals and stuff like that, you know. Actually, I didn't even need a map for this. I could just move to the right one. Anyways, yeah, so it's like it just does a sweep of like, oh, like get the 12 petals, and then once all the 12 petal ones are plucked, then like the 11 petals will give 5 power and stuff like that. You unlock dictionaries? Yeah, I got dictionaries. But honestly, I'm not using it that well here. I actually should be doing something different. But and then yeah, actually I think that's all we did. And we started working on the cacti, but it got a little too crazy. And then here's my plant friends. So basically, pretty flowers, digged. Yes. Yeah, so you plant the thing, and then when you use get companion, it'll tell you like what plant type it wants and at what coordinate. So I made a list of like, oh, like this is a dictionary. Yeah, a dictionary. Yeah, so it's like, oh, these are for these coordinates we have a specific want from someone else. So when we get there, if we already found it, that it should be of like a certain plant, then we'll like plant it. Yeah, so that's basically that. It's not that complicated. And yeah, so like once we get to a coordinate, it's like, oh, like let's say like once we get to this, like let's say this carrot wants this this guy to be like a tree or something like that. So we just remember like, okay, I should plant a tree here once I get here. So it's nothing crazy. We're gonna do the cacti, which has to sort everything, and I'm like getting there, but my brain's kind of tired now. So that's basically it. And then yeah, unlocking stuff. Did you unlock the whole skill tree? No. So I unlocked the dinosaur, and the dinosaur is kind of like a game of Snake, actually. It's kind of interesting. We can look at that next time. But there's like, you have to unlock certain currencies and stuff like that. So I think I have to like figure out the cactus first, and then I'll figure out the dinosaur, and then whatever this thing is. There's this maze that needs like this like rocks as currency. I don't know where you get that from. So I'm assuming that's gonna be from this thing. Yeah. Okay, anyways, I think, yeah, Dark said you should play Portal. I actually, I think there's I do like Portal. I played it already, but I played it so long ago that would be fun to play again. I think there was a mod or something. Okay, I'm gonna stop this. Hold on, I'm quitting that. I think there's a mod of Portal 2 that's like custom made puzzles that are like supposed to be harder than the original. So maybe I would be interested to play like the co-op Portal 2. Let me look it up because I saw it a while ago. Portal 2 mod. Portal Revolution. Yeah. I think there's like someone like made custom maps for Portals that's like seemed interesting. I wanted to play. But yeah, we'll see. Okay, anyways, I'm done for the day. Thanks for joining, everyone. tomorrow, Emmy's gonna be streaming. She's gonna be just talking. So she'll be doing like a talking stream. I don't. She saw some like browser game or something. But basically she's just gonna be talking tomorrow. So that's tomorrow, Monday, 8:30 PST. Tuesday, supposedly KK and Roku are gonna be streaming. Our 2 part-timers. And then we're gonna fire them if they don't stream. But they're non-committal and not that invested in the VNS. So it's been a while. I don't even know if they're gonna stream or not. I'll probably talk to them tomorrow to see if they want to stream. But then after that, I don't think anyone else is streaming for the rest of the week because we're US based and there's holidays for Thanksgiving this week. So we're gonna be kind of busy, I'm assuming. And then Gemma's back, so probably the week after we'll get some Gemma streams going. Yes, you tell Luna for Kimber soon. You tell her yourself. Anyways, what else? Yeah, okay. If I think you guys are all in our Discord, but we have a Discord server. It's in our Twitch description and our YouTube description. So if you want to join that, that's there. Thank you, yep, Luna. So yeah, join our Discord if you want. It's in our YouTube and Twitch. If you don't subscribe to our YouTube, you should subscribe to us just because that helps us. Even if you prefer to watch on Twitch, we have to get a certain number of subscribers on YouTube to unlock like some other features. So yeah, YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, whatever. Anyways, and then I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow in Emmy stream, 8:30 PST. So thanks for joining, everyone. Bye.